Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Pick Dialogflow ES for simple bots or CX for complex flows. Once signed into Google Cloud, enable the Dialogflow API and create a new agent with language and time zone. Next, define your core intents and sketch example utterances so training data exists immediately. Create entity types for variables you'll capture. This gets you past setup and into building, so you can train and test right away without losing momentum. Now you implement the middle. Build intents and map user expressions to actions. For each intent, add varied training phrases and crafting responses. Use follow-up intents for multi-turn flows. Define entities to capture parameters. Use system types where possible and custom ones with synonyms or rejects for precision. Set input/output contexts to control conversation state and mark required parameters with prompts. Train the agent and iterate until intent recognition reaches consistent accuracy, making sure examples finish by connecting and verifying the bot in real channels. You'll configure a webhook to handle business logic or use inline fulfillment for quick actions, then integrate with platforms like Slack or a web chat widget. Test extensively in the simulator and on real devices while watching logs in cloud logging for failures. If something breaks, inspect which intent matched, check context lifetimes, validate entity parsing, and review webhook request/response payloads. Fixing these typically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.